Milk.
We have a... Oh!
Protein. Just.
Unti-unti mo lang napapurple.
I know.
Diyan mo, ano?
Yeah, microwave it. So, protein. 30 grams. Protein shake. 20 grams Rice Krispie cereal.
Crispy cereal?
That's
Pwede mo
why
gamitin
cereal.
yung
Pero
grinder.
I know, hindi. Pero pinupupo ko na lang. Kasi nga nagamit yung blender.
We have the ano.
It's okay, it's okay. Tapos, and then, microwave 2 minutes. Pero I have to cover it para hindi mag-ungat pa.
Yeah.
And then, freeze it for like 5 hours.
Oh, you need the powdered Rice Crispy?
No, yung Rice Krispie lang kasi meron ako. And then, pinapowder ko na lang.
Kaya gusto mo i-powder.
So,
Gusto mo
okay, I got it.
pulverize? I can do that.
No, ako na. I need to, kasi, calculate lagi.
Oh, gano'ng kadami? Kasi meron mas maliit na tayo.
Trying.
Pang-grind. Para hindi matagal. We have this. Oh. Isa pang-ground coffee.
The best. Let's bite.
Nasaan si Nelson Delia? Pipikapin namin yung